Well, I wanted to provide an update. I am at 35 days of 10,000 steps or more. Um, Feeling pretty good. Not all the way there, but I feel like, definitely there's some improvement. Um, Pretty excited about this, that I'm actually been able to do it. Because once I fall off that wagon, like I said before, it's it's hard to climb back on. Anyways, but we got a good show for you today, so let's get started. Hello and welcome to Cybersecurity 101. I'm Mark Hemingway, Creative Content Director here at Archer Energy Solutions. Today we're going to talk about Honeytokens. I know we did honeypot. I'll have to brush back up on what honeypot was, but I wonder if it's in the same family as that. So let's find out. So as always, I use ChatGPT to help me learn, and I thought since I'm learning, I might as well document this, and if anybody else can get any benefit out of it, fantastic. So loaded into ChatGPT is, in cybersecurity, what are Honeytokens? Honeytokens are decoy data or resources used in cybersecurity to detect unauthorized access or malicious activity. They serve as traps to alert administrators when accessed. Oh, that's cool. It's kind of like the cheese with the mouse. You leave the cheese, you catch the mouse. I wonder what ChatGPT has to say about that. So, it's like the cheese for the mouse. It's a trap. Yes, exactly. Honeytokens are like bait in a trap designed to catch intruders by luring them in to interact with fake data. That's fun. I'm just kind of curious as to what an example of how they actually work. So give me an example of how Honeytokens work. An example of a Honeytoken is a fake login credential placed in a database. If an attacker uses this credential, it triggers an alert notifying security teams of the breach and potentially revealing the attacker's presence and methods. That's cool. That's cool. So it's like a little alarm, a little trip of an alarm, or the cheese, like we said. Fun. Earlier I had mentioned the honeypots, so I'm wondering if they're the same, so I was just wondering, how do Honeytokens differ from honeypots? Let's see. Honeytokens are pieces of fake data or credentials used to detect unauthorized access, while honeypots are entire systems or network resources designed to lure and monitor attackers by simulating a real environment. That's right. That's right. It's a whole fake setup, and they get you in there. That's right. And this is just little things that are like little traps here and there that can trigger them. That's cool. So the Honeytokens are like the little babies of the honeypots. Something like that. I don't know. Anyway, I have my next question loaded up here. How do you monitor and respond to alerts triggered by Honeytokens? Typically monitored by security teams or automated systems. When an alert is received, it's investigated promptly to determine if it represents a genuine threat. Responses may include isolating the affected system, investigating the source of the attempted access, and implementing measures to prevent further intrusion. Okay, pretty cool. Okay, that's fun. Well, with everything that seems like fun, there's always things that are bad. So, what are the potential drawbacks or risks of using Honeytokens? So false positives, get those with everything. Maintenance overhead, limited coverage, detection avoidance, resource consumption, and legal considerations. So, all right. What's the process of making sure that you do this the right way? So how do you create and manage Honeytokens effectively? All right, so identify sensitive areas. So put them in places you think people are going to go. Choose appropriate types of Honeytokens. Make sure you're not putting the wrong cheese out for those mice. Distribute Honeytokens strategically. Monitor and analyze alerts. So make sure that you have somebody that can actually keep an eye on these things and look into them if something alerts you. Adjust placement and types of Honeytokens. So if you're not getting anything somewhere, move it somewhere else. Regularly update and maintain Honeytokens. Integrate with broader security measures and educate your staff, which is the most important of all of them, I think, is making sure your staff knows how things work. All right, final question of the episode. This has been fun. I kind of like this particular one. I like the whole idea of the bait, the trap that's placed for these bad guys when they get into your system. So, what is a real life incident that involved Honeytokens? All right, one real life incident involving Honeytokens occurred when a security firm detected unauthorized access to a decoy file planted in their network, leading to the discovery and mitigation of a sophisticated cyber attack. There you go. It actually did what it was supposed to do, so that was good. Those people were right on it. Anyways, well, that was a fun episode. Honeytokens, there you go. If you didn't know, now you do. If you did know and there's more to it, please leave me some comments below and let me know more about Honeytokens or any thoughts that you might have about anything. If you don't like my hat, let me know, But, try and remain positive. I try and remain positive. It's fun. It makes life more fun. Anyways, don't forget to follow us on our social media channels, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. And as always, on our YouTube channel at ArcherU. Until next time, we'll see ya. Have a good week. Bye.
You can catch new episodes every Thursday. Follow us on YouTube at ArcherU. Like, subscribe, and click the bell notification to be notified when a new episode has been released. Is there a question or a topic you'd like Mark to address on an upcoming episode of Cybersecurity 101? Leave them in the comments below and check back in every Thursday for a brand new episode.